Yeah.
Alright, Troy got a remote control car for his birthday.
Like 2 years ago.
Yeah, a while ago. We found it in the closet. So we are going to get it out, open it up, and put some batteries in it.
It's not like this.
Yeah, yours is a little different. Alright, open it up. Let's see if we can get it open. Alright, we got the batteries in it. Whoa. So we may have to take it outside. There's not a lot of room in here. Cool. Yeah, it lights up. It's pretty cool. They're all fighting. Whoa. Yeah, we'll have to get somewhere where there's a little bit more space. He's got to practice driving it, don't you? Alright, we took it outside. And he said it works way better out here. Because there's more room for him to go. Logan got his too. Logan's not too good at steering it. I think they're loving these new toys. Whoa, whoa! Troy's gonna run me over.
I did.
Logan's trying to run me over too. Whoa! He likes running me over. There he goes. He's fast. You better watch out. He'll run you over. Go, Joey. Go, Joey. It can go under it. He goes under it. And he comes out over there. Yeah, he did it. Yeah, Logan got his going too.
Mine had these feet.
Cool.
Alright, we're out here with the car. Troy wants to show the nighttime. It lights up. So it's harder to see in the day, but you can see it now. It's glowing. Cool. Whoa. Yeah, it's raining a little. There you go. You can see it a little better. Well, you can see the glowing part. Ooh, look at it. It's glowing. He is in love with this car. He's already asked to play with it tomorrow. Whee! Try not to get in the grass here because it's wet. Meow. There he goes. Whee! Alright. Oh, here comes Logan. Logan glows too. How cool. Go, Logan. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, you got tail lights too, Logan. That's cool. Whoa. Troy crashed it. Y'all having a crash. Yeah, you got a big one. Big Jeep.